Students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine at home, stay safe and stay healthy. So class 3rd, in today's video we will start lesson number 1st, a computer system. So don't worry students, all topic I will recover, but in today's video I will recover a computer system meaning and then hardware. So firstly we have an introduction part. What is a computer system? Meaning, a computer is a useful machine and it is used in almost every sphere of life. And we can play games, write letters, draw pictures, listen to music, store information, solve sums, etc. on a computer. And it can work very fast and can do many of the jobs at the same time. And why computer is a useful machine? Because it is very much accurate, fast, and it can do many of the tasks easily. And we all know that we can do many of the tasks on the computers, as we can play games, we can write any type of letters, and we can draw any type of pictures, and we can listen music also, and we can store any type of information, whether it is a file or whether it is a form, and we can solve and we can perform all type of calculations on a computer. So in the previous class we have learned the use of computer in different fields. Let us review some of these areas. And now I am discussing with you some of the areas where computers are used. So computers are used in offices, in hospitals, for designing purpose, in banks, for animated movies, in airport, in defense. So here what is defense? Defense is an area where some persons are there who are protecting our country from attacks, bad treatments, etc. and in space research. So these are some of the areas where computers are used. So our next topic is hardware. The physical parts of a computer that we can touch or feel are called hardware. So what are the physical parts? Like monitor, mouse, keyboard, etc. that we can touch. As we already know, a human body consists of different parts. कहते हैं जैसे कि हमें पता ही है कि ह्यूमन बॉडी में भी डिफरेंट पार्ट्स होते हैं, इंक्लूड करता है वो डिफरेंट पार्ट्स. एंड द आउटर पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी आर विजिबल. जो आउटर पार्ट है बॉडी के वो हमें विजिबल होते हैं, दिखते हैं. एंड वेयर इज द पार्ट्स लाइक ब्रेन, लंग्स, हार्ट्स एट्सेट्रा विच आर इनसाइड कैन नॉट बी सीन. हम उनको नहीं देख सकते दीज पार्ट्स को. एंड सिमिलरली इन अ कंप्यूटर we can see only those parts of the hardware that are outside. और कंप्यूटर में भी सिमिलरली वैसे ही है. जो आउटर पार्ट है कंप्यूटर के वो हम देख सकते हैं, लाइक मॉनिटर, कीबोर्ड, माउस एट्सेट्रा. एंड वी कैन टच ऑल्सो एंड वी कैन परफॉर्म एनी टाइप ऑफ टास्क विद द हार्डवेयर. सो they are attached to the CPU by cables. So these parts are attached with the CPU by the cables, and some parts of the computers are inside the CPU. We can see them when we open the body of a CPU box. For example, hard disk, CPU chip, etc. कुछ पार्ट है जो कंप्यूटर जो CPU के अंदर होते हैं वो हम देख नहीं सकते जब तक हम उसको ओपन नहीं करेंगे. सो नेक्स्ट इज मेन पार्ट्स ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर. कंप्यूटर के डिफरेंट पार्ट्स. A computer has the following 4 main parts that help in performing the IPO cycle. कहते हैं कंप्यूटर के 4 मेन पार्ट्स. देयर आर 4 मेन पार्ट्स ऑफ द कंप्यूटर जो हमें हेल्प करते हैं टू परफॉर्म IPO cycle. Here IPO stands for input, process, output. So our first part is we are discussing first part of the computer. That one is monitor. A monitor looks like a TV screen. It displays the work that we do on a computer. It also displays the movement of the mouse pointer on the screen. जैसे जैसे हम माउस मूव करते हैं वैसे वैसे माउस पॉइंटर है वो कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पे मूव करता दिखाई देता है. एंड अ मॉनिटर इज ऑल्सो नोन एज VDU. एंड हियर VDU stands for V stand for visual, D stand for display, and U stands for unit. The information that we see on a monitor is called soft copy. जो information हम monitor के ऊपर देखते हैं that is called soft copy, and that information we can't touch. So that's why it is called soft copy. and there are three different types of monitors, and there are three categories of monitor. First one is CRT, second one is LCD, and third one is LED. So first one is CRT. CRT stands for cathode ray tube monitors. CRT monitors contains a vacuum tube. So here one new term is there, that is vacuum tube. As vacuum tube contains electron guns, जो कि हेल्प करती है कोई भी इमेज को डिस्प्ले करने के लिए कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पे. दैट इज कॉल्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन गन एंड आर बिगर इन साइज एंड कंज्यूम्स लेस पावर. एज CRT monitors आर बिग इन साइज एंड कंज्यूम्स मोर पावर. और जो ये CRT monitors हैं ये पावर भी ज़्यादा कंज्यूम करते हैं. एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज LCD, liquid crystal display monitors. What is the full form of LCD? Liquid crystal display monitors. LCD monitor has a flat type of screen and it consumes less power. ऐसे जैसे जो LCD monitor है वो उनकी जो स्क्रीन है वो क्या होती है, फ्लैट होती है और it consumes less power as comparative to CRT monitors. LCD monitors consumes less power. And then third type is LED, light emitting diode monitor. What is the full form of LED? Light emitting diode monitors. These monitors have better display. These are thinner and lighter in weight. LED monitors use 40% less power than LCDs and last longer. And these monitors are in maximum use today. As in our homes, we also using LED monitors. Why we are using LED monitors? As it has better display, thinner and lighter in weight, and it also consumes 40% less power than LCDs. So that's why they are in maximum use today. So now we have discussed one part of computer, that is monitor, and next we are discussing next part of computer, that one is CPU, main part of the computer. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. As the CPU is the main part of the computer, all instructions are being processed by the CPU. It is the brain of the computer that processes all the instructions given to the computer. सारी की सारी information और instruction को कौन process करता है? CPU. It solves all calculations and display the results on the monitor. It also stores a lot of information and it is capable for storing any type of information and lot of information. A CPU is made up of three main parts. They are MU, CU and ALU. So first one is MU, memory unit. In this unit we can store data and instructions which are to be processed and are then passed on to ALU or CU. As MU contain all data and instructions that are being to be processed, and then that instruction is passed to the ALU or CU. If that instruction contain any type of calculation, then MU passed that information to that instruction to the ALU. So next one is CU, control unit. The control unit works like a traffic policeman. It controls and manages the working of all the parts of the computer. As CU works like a manager. It controls and manages the working of all parts of the computer. सारे के सारे parts को कौन manage करता है? CU, control unit. And the next part is ALU, arithmetic and logical unit. What is the full form of ALU? Arithmetic and logical unit. So this unit performs all arithmetic calculations like addition, subtraction and division. So ALU perform करता है all type of calculation, whether it is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. and it also perform logical operations like finding the greater number, smallest number, greater than equal to number, less than equal to, or equal to and not equal to numbers. As from the conclusion, we can say all type of calculations being processed by the ALU. And the next part of the computer is keyboard. As in the previous, we have discussed monitor, first part, and then CPU, and now third part of the computer is keyboard. A keyboard is used to type data and instructions into the computer. The commonly used keyboard has 104 keys which can be divided into many groups based on their functions. कंप्यूटर अगर हमने कोई भी इंस्ट्रक्शन देनी है कंप्यूटर को तो कैसे देंगे हम इंस्ट्रक्शन? विद द हेल्प ऑफ कीबोर्ड. एज फ्रॉम द कीबोर्ड वी विल एंटर और वी विल टाइप कीज and according to that computer will perform task. So in a standard keyboard there are 104 keys, 104 keys. So next, as in yellow color, these are typing keys. Typing means alphanumeric keys. Alpha means alphabets are also theirs, and numeric means numbers from 0 to 9 are also present in typing keys. And next, in red color, these are control keys, and in purple type color, these are function keys, and in green color, they are navigation keys, and in blue color, they are numeric. There is numeric keypad. So one by one we will discuss about keys. So first one is typing keys. As typing keys are used to type any particular information. These keys include letters and numbers, punctuations and special symbols keys. And these keys also include the shift, caps lock, space bar, backspace and the tab keys. These are some of the keys that are present in typing keys. And the next one is control keys. These keys are either used alone or in combination with other keys to perform certain actions. जो कंट्रोल कीज़ हैं उनको हम अकेला भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ अदर कीज़ वी कैन ऑल्सो यूज़ कंट्रोल कीज़. So these are some of the examples of the control keys. Control button, control key, alt key, window logo key and the escape key are the various examples of the control keys. As control keys has red color, so you can see these are control keys. These are. So next one is function keys. These are as from the name we have clear to you. These function keys are used to perform different type of functions. These are used to perform specific tasks. These keys are placed on the top row of the keyboard and are labeled as from F1 to F12. As from the keyboard we can see these are called function keys. 12 keys are called function keys, and these keys have different functions in different programs. So next one is numeric keypad. The numeric keypad consists of number keys from 0 to 9. If we want to enter any type of number from 0 to 9, we can take the help of numeric keypad. As numeric keypad has blue color, and so this one is called numeric keypad. This one full is called numeric keypad. So the numeric keypad consists of number keys from 0 to 9, the arithmetic operators and the decimal point similar to the keys of a calculator. जैसे calculator में keys होती हैं वैसी keys numeric keypad में होती हैं, and it is placed on the right side of the keyboard and it is used for entering numbers at a very fast speed. वैसे तो जो number keys होती हैं from 0 to 9 वो तो typing keys में भी available होती हैं, but if you want to type in a very fast speed, then we can take the help of numeric keypad. So next one is navigation keys. As arrow keys, as what are the navigation keys? These keys are used to move through the documents or web pages and editing the text. अगर हमने कोई editing means changes, अगर कोई text में changes करनी है तो हमें कौन सी कीज़ चाहिए, नेविगेशन कीज़. So first one is arrow keys. This one key is used to move the cursor on the screen. Next one is home. It is used to move the cursor to the beginning of the line. Line के first पे जाना है, then we will take the help of home. As same like that, end key, then page up. If we want to move the page up, then we can take the help of page up, then page down. As delete key is used to erase the letters or characters. And next one is insert, and it turn the insert mode on or off. अगर हमने insert mode को on करना है या off करना है तो हम किसकी help लेंगे, insert key. So the last part of the computer is mouse. As from the picture you can see, this one is right button, this one is left button, and in the center there is scroll wheel. So what is mouse? A mouse is a pointing device. Pointing means point करने के लिए, किसी चीज़ को select करने के लिए हम क्या use करते हैं, mouse. And it is connected to the CPU by a cable. ये cable के साथ कैसे connect, CPU के साथ कैसे connect होती है, with the help of cable, wire. A mouse usually has two buttons on it. One is right button and one is left button. Two buttons are there, and it is used to point, select and move any object on the screen. स्क्रीन के ऊपर कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट को मूव करना है, पॉइंट करना है, सिलेक्ट करना है तो हम किसकी हेल्प लेते हैं, माउस की. एंड व्हेन वी मूव द माउस विद अवर हैंड, अ कंप्यूटर ऑन द स्क्रीन मूव्स इन द सेम डायरेक्शन. जैसे जैसे हम हैंड से माउस को मूव करते हैं वैसे वैसे ही कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पे पॉइंटर भी मूव करता है. As it also helps to draw pictures, mouse, we can take the help of mouse to draw any type of pictures. And nowadays the scroll mouse is more in use, that has a scroll wheel in the center of the two buttons. As you can see from the picture, this one is scroll wheel. Two buttons are there and one is scroll wheel. So today in this video we have discussed about a computer system meaning, and then hardware, and then main parts of the computer, and then there are three main parts of the computer: monitor, CPU, and next one is keyboard, and last one is mouse. So now's your turn, students. You have to read these pages. Take care. Bye bye.